We associate sunflower seeds with baseball games, a crunchy snack to enjoy between innings. But these little seeds are nutritional powerhouses. They offer a wide array of health benefits, exceeding their humble appearance. Get ready to rethink your snacking habits. Beyond their association with baseball, sunflower seeds provide essential nutrients. They are a good source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Incorporating sunflower seeds into your daily diet can significantly impact your overall health. From boosting heart health to supporting the immune system, the benefits of sunflower seeds are numerous. Get ready to discover the surprising ways sunflower seeds can improve your health. Don't let their small size fool you. Sunflower seeds pack a nutritional punch. A 1-ounce serving provides a significant amount of essential nutrients. These include vitamin E, selenium, magnesium, and zinc. Compared to other common seeds like flax seeds and chia seeds, sunflower seeds hold their own. They are particularly rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Sunflower seeds are also a good source of selenium, a trace mineral that plays a vital role in thyroid function. Including sunflower seeds in your diet can help ensure adequate selenium intake. Beyond their impressive nutritional profile, sunflower seeds offer a range of health benefits. Regular consumption of sunflower seeds has been linked to improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Sunflower seeds are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, considered good fats that promote heart health. These fats help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and increase HDL, good cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Sunflower seeds are an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber in particular has been shown to lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar levels, further contributing to heart health. The antioxidants in sunflower seeds play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Sunflower seeds' antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Section 4. Heart Healthy Crunch. Seeds for a stronger ticker. The combination of nutrients in these tiny seeds acts as a powerful shield against cardiovascular disease. Sunflower seeds are abundant in magnesium. This mineral is crucial for regulating blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Another heart-healthy compound found in sunflower seeds is vitamin E. As a potent antioxidant, vitamin E protects against oxidative damage to LDL cholesterol. Furthermore, the fiber in sunflower seeds contributes to heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Section 5. Immunity and more unexpected perks in every bite. Beyond heart health, sunflower seeds offer a surprising array of additional benefits. These tiny seeds can boost your immune system, improve blood sugar control, and even enhance sleep quality. Sunflower seeds are packed with immune-boosting nutrients, including zinc, selenium, and vitamin E. Zinc is crucial for the development and function of immune cells that fight off infections. Selenium plays a vital role in immune response and may even help reduce the severity of viral infections. The fiber and protein in sunflower seeds help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down sugar absorption into the bloodstream. Consuming sunflower seeds before bed may improve sleep quality by increasing melatonin levels. Section 6. Seed Savvy. Adding sunflower power to your plate. Incorporating sunflower seeds into your daily diet is easy and delicious. Aim for a 1-ounce serving, approximately a quarter cup per day, to reap their numerous health benefits. Sprinkle sunflower seeds on salads for extra crunch and nutrition. Add sunflower seeds to your morning yogurt or oatmeal for a boost of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Create your own trail mix by combining sunflower seeds with nuts, dried fruits, and other seeds for a healthy and energy-boosting snack. Sunflower seeds can be enjoyed roasted, salted, or unsalted. Incorporating just 1 ounce of sunflower seeds into your daily diet is a simple yet effective way to improve your overall health and well-being.